Assalamu Alaikum, my dear friends. Today I will tell you about my daily routine as a university student. I wake up early in the morning for Fajr prayer. After making wudu, I pray to Allah and ask for His blessings. Then I read some Qur'an. It gives me peace and energy for the day. After that, I eat a light breakfast. Usually I take bread, eggs, and tea. Then I get ready for university. At 8:30, I go to my classes. I study political science. My teachers explain many important things, and I take notes carefully. During the break, I meet my friends. We talk about our studies and sometimes about Islam. I try to remind myself and my friends to use our time wisely because time is a gift from Allah. After classes, I return home. I pray Dhuhr Salah first. Then I take lunch with my family. After lunch, I take some rest. Later, I study again for 1 or 2 hours. I also work on my assignments. I remember the hadith of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The best of you are those who learn and teach. This motivates me to study more. At Maghrib time, I go to the mosque. Praying in the mosque makes me feel happy and connected with other Muslims. After dinner, I spend time with my parents. I also use some time for English learning and reading books. Before sleeping, I pray Isha. Then I make dua to Allah to forgive my mistakes and guide me for tomorrow. This is my daily routine as a Muslim university student. I try to balance study and worship. Dear friends, remember, if we manage our time with prayer and study, we can be successful in this world and the hereafter, Insha'Allah.